Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Thanks for being with me tonight. Thanks for watching me. And yeah, it's another video. Welcome to this Kikuyu channel. I hope you're gonna have some fun with me. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Keep tuned in. Take a cup of coffee, take a cup of tea, or even a glass of water. Make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Now, the video today is about conversation concerning the mode of transport that we use on our day-to-day basis. So we are going to learn words that we use while we are traveling, words that we use in the transport sector, and even words that are used between passengers and the drivers or the conductors or while on the road. So yeah, let's get started. And yeah, without wasting much time, I'm going to start with one or two, three basic words that are very common. And the first word we are going to learn is the word thank you. How do I say thank you in Kikuyu? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I say thank you. Now, some people will say thank you muno, which means thank you so much. Thank you muno. Thank you muno. Thank you so much. Now, the second word we're going to learn is the word I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Nidahera. 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 I'm sorry. Now, the next word you're going to use is the word ticket. How do we call ticket in Kikuyu? Tigiti. Tigiti. Now, when you have a ticket, it could be a ticket for the matatu, a ticket for the bus, a plane ticket, or even a taxi ticket. How do I call a plane ticket? Tigiti wadege. Tigiti wadege. Tigiti wadege. That's a plane ticket. Now, how do I call a bus ticket? A bus ticket is called tigiti wa gari. Tigiti wa gari. Well, gari is not like a bus. Gari is a car. So that's like saying I'm having a ticket for the car or for a normal public vehicle. Tigiti wa gari. Tigiti wa gari. Now, what do I say when I'm saying I want to pay my ticket? Direda kuriha tigiti wa gari. Direda kuriha Direda kuriha tigiti wa gari. I want to pay my ticket for the car. I want to pay my car ticket. Or I want to pay the ticket for this specific car. Direda kuriha tigiti wa gari. Now, I want to pay the plane ticket. Direda kuriha tigiti wa dege. Direda kuriha tigiti wa dege. Now, what if I want to ask, how much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? Tigiti ne biashigana. Tigiti ne biashigana. How much is the ticket? The ticket is 100 Kenya shillings. Tigiti ne igana rimwe. Tigiti ne igana rimwe. Tigiti ne igana rimwe. Now, that's how we say the ticket is 100 Kenya shillings. Now, without wasting much time, we're going to go ahead. And the next word we are going to learn, I mentioned like 1 or 2 minutes ago, is the word a car. A car is called gari. A car is called gari. Now, there are many types of cars. There are public vehicles. There are buses. There are small private cars. There are lorries. There are so many, but we are not going to go deep into that. We're just going to generalize that and learn in general a car, gari, a bus, baadhi. Now, a bicycle, moithikiri, a bicycle, moithikiri. A motorbike, duthi, a motorbike, duthi. Now, if you are living in Kenya, you most probably know that duthis or motorbikes are a very common means of transport nowadays, and they are very reliable and easy to access. So most of the times you will hear people say modoa duthi. That is referring to the person or the driver or the person riding the motorbike. That's what they refer to, modo waduthi. Now, what if I want to say call for me a motorbike, or call for me the driver of a motorbike? Horira modua duthi. Or you can say horira derefa wa duthi. Horira derefa wa duthi. Horira is call, derefa driver, wa duthi. Horira derefa wa duthi. Call the motorbike driver. Call the motorbike driver. Or call for me the driver who takes the motorbike. Call for me the driver who is in charge of the motorbike. Now, okay. Now, what do I say when I want to say a driver? How do we call a driver? A driver is called derefa. That's how we call a driver in Kikuyu. Derefa. Now, we sometimes want to tell the driver, slow down or drive slowly. Twarithia kahora. Twarithia kahora, or twarithia gari kahora. Twarithia gari kahora. Slow down the car. Slow the car down. Slow the car down, or drive slowly. Twarithia gari kahora. What if I say, can you drive fast or drive faster? Twarithia gari ihenya. Twarithia gari ihenya. Drive faster, or drive the motorbike a bit faster. Twarithia duthi ihenya. Ihenya is being fast, the act of being fast or accelerating. That's what is called ihenya. Twarithia duthi ihenya. Twarithia maithikiri ihenya. Drive the bike faster. Twarithia gari ihenya. drive the car faster. Now we're going to go ahead and request Anduthi or request a motorbike. How do I say that in Kikuyu? I want to request a motorbike. Direda ku. Okay. Can I have a okay. Hold on. Can I have a motorbike? No nyone mundu wa nduthi. No nyone mundu wa nduthi. Can I have a motorbike? Or can I have someone to drive me? Hena mundu wa kundwara na nduthi. Hena mundu wa kundwara na nduthi. Now, is there someone who can drive me or who can ride me with the motorbike? Hena mundu wa kundwara na nduthi. Now, what if I am asking for someone to drive me with a car? Can you drive me with a car? No udware na gari. No udware na gari. Now, it could be the car belongs to him or to me or that is that person's car. I will say, no udware na gari yaku. No udware na gari yaku. Kudwara is to drive me. Kudwara is drive or to drive, the act of taking a person from point A to B. Dwara. Now, I want to go back. How do I say driving? How do I call the act of driving? The act of driving is called gotwarithia. The act of driving is called gotwarithia. Now, if I'm speaking about driving, I would be saying I'm driving a car. How do I say driving a car? Gotwarithia gari. Gotwarithia gari. Gotwarithia gari. Drive a car or driving a car. Now, I want to ask someone, can you drive a car? How do I ask? No utwarithie gari or neoe gutwarithia gari. Neoe gutwarithia gari. Do you know how to drive a car? Neoe. Do you know gutwarithia gari? Drive a car. Do you know to drive a car? Neoe gutwarithia gari. Okay, what if I want to ask? Do you know to ride a bike? Neoe gutwarithia nduthi. Neoe gutwarithia nduthi. Do you know how to ride a motorbike? Or do you know to ride a motorbike? Now, I want to ask, do you know to ride a bicycle? Do you know how to ride a bicycle? Neoe gutwarithia maithikiri. Neoe gutwarithia maithikiri. Now, as you may have noticed, I have been using the word gutwarithia, which we said is driving or moving from point A to B or being in that motion. But in this case, it specifically means driving. Gutwarithia. Gutwarithia gari. Gutwarithia maithikiri. Gutwarithia nduthi. I hope we are together. Now, what if I want to say, drop me here? Okay, 1 second. Let's go back. I asked someone, do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a bicycle or a motorbike? Now, this person wants to answer, yes, I know. How do I say that? Nĩnjũĩ gũtwarithia ngari. Nĩnjũĩ gũtwarithia ngari. I know to drive a car, or I have the skills, or yes, I can. This I have said many times. Meaning yes. Nejoe, I know. Nejoe meaning I know. Nejoe gotwarithia, do the yes, I know to ride a motorbike. Or he or she can say, no, I can't. No, I can't ride. No, I can't drive. Asha dioe. Asha meaning no. Dioe, I don't know. Asha dioe gũtwarithia ngari. Asha dioe gũtwarithia maithikiri, bike, a bicycle. Asha dioe gũtwarithia nduthi. Asha dioe gũtwarithia nduthi. No, I can't ride a bicycle. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video right here, and I'm going to catch you again in the next video. Keep tuned and let's see us very soon.